Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature, do you know these 10 quick tips for creating a profitable list? And also, Indispensable doesn't begin to describe the value of these tips. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Building and maintaining a high-quality list of subscribers is vital to any marketer's success. Let's go over some of the most important steps I have used to build and maintain a profitable list for my consulting side hustle. Here are the 10 tips I use to create and maintain my list. 1. First, make sure you put up a good landing page. It should be well designed and professional looking. If you don't have any design skills, then hire someone to do this for you. 2. Next, put a web form on your landing page and offer your customers the opportunity to opt into your mailing list. Give something away free to encourage them to opt in. 3. Make sure any freebies you give away are of the highest quality, because the subscribers on your list will judge the worthiness of your products and services based on the freebies they get. 4. Include a lot of professionally written content and interesting information for your visitors. Your customers will want to read interesting things and want to look for more than just a sales pitch. Content sites are a great way to build trust and loyalty. You can build a content site jam-packed with articles and helpful information, then link to your sales page from your content site. 5. Make sure you keep your customers' information private. If you tell your customers you will not share their personal information, then don't share it with anyone. You will ruin your reputation, and word spreads fast on the internet. 6. Take some time to try the product you offer yourself. Make sure it is something you consider worthy of buying. If you are selling a book you wrote, make sure it is mass appeal and will benefit the target audience you plan to market it to. 7. Provide top-notch customer service. This is the #1 way to stay ahead of the game. If your customers are happy and you resolve their questions and complaints immediately, then you will win their loyalty and trust. 8. Reward customers that refer others to you. This is a simple way to build trust and loyalty. 9. Respond to your customers' complaints or inquiries immediately, with the goal in mind always being to satisfy your customer. 10. Remain truthful and honest in all you do. A customer will sniff out a scam faster than a dog will a bone. The takeaway: don't lie, don't trick, and don't steal. Be honest and be who you are, and you will do well working on the web and building your opt-in list. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning the 10 quick tips for creating a profitable list. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.